Oh, hello everyone and welcome back. Thank you for joining me on this lovely January morning. As you can see, I am out at Small Creek. Right? This is one of my favorites. I don't normally fish it during the winter, but figured might as well give it a try. This is, I think my second time fishing so far this year in 2023. First time didn't go so well. Didn't catch any fish. There was still ice on some of the places where I was fishing. And so I know there's a lot of fishing here, and so figured I'd get the year started off a little bit better, come out here and see what I can catch. So thanks for joining me. I'm gonna get rigged up and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Thank you. Bye. All right, well, ready to go. I'm gonna start today with a piece of redworm on a hook, 10 inches below split shot. I'm going to kind of take it nice and slow today. Fishing any deep holes that I can find, like this one right here. This river's changed quite a bit since I was last here, but there's a hole right here. I don't know, it looks pretty deep, 4 or 5 feet maybe even. Just gonna find those spots, find as many of those types of spots as I can, fish nice and slow, see what we can find. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, there's a fish. I didn't even know I had one. Huh. Oh, he came off. What was that? Looked like a little green sunfish, maybe. Oh, darn it. Lost the first fish of the year. Oh, I didn't even feel him bite. Well, that's a good sign. Didn't take long for that to happen. There we go. Sure felt like a bite. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we got here. And the first, no, get back in here. The first fish of 2023. If you've been a regular on the channel, I'll give you like a few guesses as to what it might be. Oh, it's kind of fitting. Yes, a creek chub. Awesome. I'll take it, right? I think it's January 8th. Yeah. So, oh yeah, that's better. All right. A creek chub, my first fish of 2023. You know what? I'll take it. Sometimes a fish is a fish is a fish, especially when it's, oh, goodbye, buddy. All right. I think it's about mid to high 30s right now. It's cold. Early January. Not in Florida. We're still in Pennsylvania. I will take it. Yeah, that's cool. All right. Okay, one fish down. Let's see what else we can get. I wonder if it's something really small. Not just creek chubs, but maybe like common shiners or something down there too. Something. So right now I'm in this spot. Whenever I throw it and hit that spot, I get at least one bite. So there must be. Oh, there we go. Yep. Got another creek chub. About the same size as the first. All right. Oh. All right. Let's get you back. Creek chub. Number 2. Cool. No bite that time. Yeah, this is so different than last time we were here. I think the last time, yeah, it must have been when the kids and I were here, and we caught sunfish and cooked them. We cooked them actually right here. This is so very different. If it stays like this, it'll be a nice spot during the summer. It looks really deep. One of the deepest places I know now, at least on this creek. Probably 4 or 5 feet. It looks like I can't even see the bottom. It's a little clouded today, but still, that's be good. But yeah, it's really different from what it looked like that last time I was here. And that's the cool thing about these small creeks. Always changing. Fingers don't want to work. All right, I've moved down. We were down there earlier. Moved down, or no, upstream. Yep, sorry, to a different hole. This one, another one of the deeper spots, at least in this section of the creek. So hopefully there's a few fish here that we can try to catch. In the summer, it's really nice. One of those places that just holds a lot of fish, maybe year round. So let's see. Oh gosh, I've had a fish this whole time. I wonder. Okay. What do we have here? It's another creek chub. Geez, I didn't even know he was on. That's just a little bit bigger than the first two. Okay. Oh, geez. All right. Creek chub number 3. Fish number 3. There you go. Oh, geez, didn't even know. Again, light biting, man. Okay, it's creek chubs. All right. Oh, there you go, buddy. Got it. Felt that one. Another creek chub. Yeah. Well, shoot. There's gotta be something else in here, though. That one's the smallest one yet. It's all right. Well, there are a few creek chubs in here, I think, huh? Well, we already knew that. There's lots of other kinds of fish in here, so let's see if we can catch some of those. I know, like this spot, I don't know. Kids and I have snorkeled here. So you've got these 2 trees that are laying down. The current has washed out a lot of the bank underneath of them, and so the undercut bank goes back quite a ways if it hasn't changed that much. So there could be, you know, tons of fish under there. I can't see any. The water's a little stained, but I wouldn't be surprised. It's hard to kind of get bait back. Oh, there we go. I don't think you need to get the bait back up in there. They're just right there. You don't really want to get caught in all that wood too, because I don't really look forward to having to retie. My fingers are quite cold as it is. Oh, there's a better one. That's the biggest one yet. I'll net him, yeah. Right. Come here. Oh, yeah. Wow. That was smooth. That's not a bad creek chub even. I mean, they can get a lot smaller than that. They can get bigger, but hey. Okay. Creek chub number, what, 5 maybe? Going on back. Oh, that's something. Wow, look at that one. That is a nice one. Didn't even feel him bite. Wow, look at him in that water. You see him? Nice creek chub. Come here. That's getting close to maybe 10 inches. I mean, sure, it's a creek chub. You're like, who cares? But you know what? A fish. It's a fish. Come here, you. Wow, look at that guy. That is a nice one. So cool. So cool. Nice creek chub there. Yeah, perfect. There you go. All right. Yeah, there we go. Good one more. All right, I'm just gonna bring him up. Come here. Okay, one more creek chub for this spot. Cool. Oh, shoot. Well, bye. Okay. That. Okay. Oh, we've established that there are creek chubs willing to be caught in this part of the creek. Let's see. Go see if we can. I don't know. Find. Oh, gosh. I can't even put the worm on the hook. Finish your thoughts, huh? Let's go see if we can't find something else. Maybe a red breast or green sunfish, perhaps. There are also largemouth bass and smallmouth bass in here. We've even got bluegill. I think even pumpkin seed. So there's a lot of different species of fish that we could run into here. Okay. All right. Now, well, let me get my stuff. We're gonna head downstream, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, here's another spot with some depth to it. What's that? Oh, jeez. We've got a big kind of bend in the creek. The far bank gets pretty deep. Probably judge that from the steepness of it. Oh, and what do we have here? Oh, that's always fun to get in the middle of your line. came out. Haha, good deal. That would have been no good. Stick. I think this spot gets fished a little bit more heavily because it's fairly close to the parking lot. So if anyone comes, this is probably the place where they end up. But maybe not. I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm trying to... Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Ah, there was a fish. Shoot, right there. Right close, too. Mm-hmm. Oh, hands are cold again. Oh no, okay. Okay. Got him. Whatever he is, I got you. What is, oh, it was a creek chub and a leaf. Okay, well, must be just a bunch of probably smaller creek chubs. Oh, you got half my worm. Still in there? Yeah. All right. Well, so yeah, probably a bunch of small creek chubs right there. Let's have one more look at this guy. That is probably the smallest of the day. And, yeah, if that's the last fish of the day, so be it. Back you go, friend. There he goes. Bye. Oh, what are you doing? Go back down there. Go back down there. Go back down there. There you go. There he goes. Jeez. All right, well, that's going to do it for me today. I can't complain. I mean, early January, I've never been the best at catching fish in the winter, but we caught some fish. So, goal for the day complete. What do we do? I think it was like 7 or 8 creek chubs. All right. Hey, that's not too bad for me. Got the first fish of 2023 out of the way, and like I was saying before, and maybe it's not going to make the cut into the final video. We'll get started on kind of our keeping a year list goal for fish we've caught. Okay? Something I do with birds usually, but we'll try it with fish this year. Okay, fish that I catch with hook and line. Yeah, other than that, not really sure what else to say, but thanks for watching, and hopefully there will be more to come soon. And if I haven't said this already, Happy New Year, everyone. Hope it's going all well for everyone so far. So see you around, and good luck out there.